Greetings. Takuenderera mberi nemacomplex numbers. Nhasi tiri kudiscussa the Argand diagram. What we are going to do first is to define the Argand diagram. The definition of an Argand diagram is an instrument. This is an instrument which is used to locate complex numbers in space. Saka, what do you think of kana tikataura pamusoro locating complex numbers in space? If I have to jog your memory, remember taiva neinonzi Cartesian plane. So the Cartesian plane taishandisa to locate numbers in space. For example, we have this point. Saka point iyi inenge ine x value yobva yaita a y value. Saka ma-complex numbers, Cartesian plane yema-complex numbers inonzi the Argand diagram. Cartesian plane yema-complex numbers inonzi the Argand diagram. But the Argand diagram, just like ma-complex numbers, inenge ine a little twitch. Saka we need to discuss the point of departure. Kusiyana kwakaita Cartesian plane ne-Argand diagram. Putting it down as a point, saka panapa tiri kuti it is modeled after the Cartesian plane. So what does it mean kana chiti something is modeled after? The word modeled tikada kurisa kushona rinodzoka riri nyoredzerwa, nyoredzerwa kana kuti kutoredzera, toredzera. Saka kana tichiti munhu ane nyoredzerwa, hatisi kureva kuti the person is a complete replica of someone else, but tiri kuti munhu iyeye ane ma-attributes aanoshare na someone else. Saka modeling tingaitora for example as congruency. Saka congruency tichitaura pamusoro pe-exact similitude. Tikati matriangle ari two ari congruent, tinge chiti akafanana completely. Kana side rino iri 2 cm rino i2 zvakare. Kana perpendicular height iri 3 cm, panapa inenge iri futi chi 3 cm. This is congruency. Saka nyoredzerwa, it's not congruency. Modeling, it's not congruency. Rather, modeling can be taken as similarity. Similarity ratios. Saka for example, tikati matriangle 2 ari similar, tikuti iyi triangle yakadai so, ino iyi yakadai so. Panapa i2 cm, panapa i4 cm. Panapa i3 cm perpendicular height, panapa i6 cm. Saka as you can see kuti the ratio iri kufananidza matriangle aya ari 2 inenge iri 1:2. You see? Saka each length kana iri x, zvoreva kuti length yetriangle iri similar to it inenge iri 2x. Saka pandinoda ngokupa example yemodeling. Kana chiti the Argand diagram is modeled after the Cartesian plane. Hatizi kureva kuti Argand diagram neCartesian plane zvakafanana. Tikureva kuti Argand diagram yakatoredzera kuCartesian plane. Pane ma-attributes akafanana, but pane a point of departure. So what we need to do now is toda kudraw Argand diagram. Tokuratidzai kuti inge yakaita sei. Saka Argand diagram inge yakadai so. Tine the y coordinates, ndokwatinonyora kuti chi imaginary. Saka y ndokunouya ma-imaginary numbers. Then tine the x plane. Ku-x axis ndiko kunouya ma-real numbers. Saka to jog your memory, let us take a detour. Takadiscussa isusu tichiti the generalized form of a complex number is z is equal to x plus y I. X ino e ndiyo the real number. Then part iya I ndiyo inenge iri complex number, but tinobva tangoti this part is actually the imaginary number. So kana tichikota x is equals to z is equals to x plus yi on a Argand diagram, we are taking into cognizance the real number or the real part of the complex number, then tovatazoita quote again the imaginary part of the complex number, of which the real part of the complex number inoenda ku x-axis, the imaginary part of the complex number inoenda ku y-axis. Kureva kuti pakagadzirwa this generalized form, the designer had this in mind. Ndosaka real part akaiti x kungoindicata kuti iri kuenda kuchi ku-x-axis, then imaginary part akaiti y kuindicata again kuti iri kuenda kuchi y-axis. So this is the Argand diagram. Point inoita ngoinyora for the sake of note taking. The x-axis represent the real part and the y-axis represent the imaginary part. Ndo zvatanga tichidiscussa just recently. Iko zvino izvi takuda kuita an illustration kuti tinogadzira sei kana kuti tinokota sei a complex number on an Argand diagram. Saka let us re-employ my examples atanga timbodhila nawo. If you look at our previous class, takati z1 is equal to 3 minus 2i, tikati susu z2 is equal to minus 2 minus I. Saka toda kurepresenta izvi on an Argand diagram. How do we do that? So tikadai so tinodraw Argand diagram redu, then toindicata kuti y ndokuchauya chi the imaginary part of the complex number, ku x ndiko kuchauya chi the real part of the complex number. Saka toda kutanga tarepresenta z1 tinoirepresenta sei? Zvatinoita ndezvekuti tinouya pana z1 pacho, you see, iyi ndiyo z1 ishi, z1 is equals to 3 minus 2i. Tobva taidentifya kuti what is the real part of this complex number. Saka real part ndeino ishi 3. Saka taona isusu kuti 3 ndiyo real part, what we are going to do is of course toitaisa mapoints edu panapa, this is 1 2 3 maybe 4, anditi tati isusu real part inonyorwa kuchi ku-x-axis. Saka tinouya ku-x-axis toziva kuti this is going to be where we have 3. You understand? Tadaro manje tobva taenda again to our complex number, tobva tati what is going to be the imaginary part. Saka for imaginary part now, minus 2. Saka minus 2 inge iri papi? Panapa ndo pana minus 1, minus 2, maybe tovatangowedzerawo minus 3. Saka minus 2 inge iri panapa. So this is going to be the point. You see? Point iyi manje tinobva taiconnecta to the origin. Like this. Pataisa our arrow. This is z1 3 minus 2. Kana tadai so tinenge tatoplota the complex number tairepresenta on the Argand diagram. Saka maybe for the sake of kuita kuti mubate, let me just tsokorodze zvaitika panapa. Zvaitika ndezvekuti tatora complex number z1 ndobva taidentifya real part neimaginary part. So for the real part taona kuti ndi 3, then imaginary part inenge iri minus 2i, but isusu tinongotora this part of the number which is minus 2. Saka the real part tanoiplota ku-x-axis which is 3, the imaginary part tikanoiplota ku-y-axis which is minus 2. Line redu tariisa tichiconnecta from the origin and taisa an arrow. I'm going to explain the need of that arrow, but for now just know that it's very important. Okay, let us pause a little. I want you to try z2 on your own. Then kana mapedza you can unpause and see kuti inoitwa sei. Okay, I'm assuming that you have tried on your own. Let us now go over to set 2. Maitiro atunoita set 2 akafanana nemaitiro ataita set 1. Saka tinotanga nekureu part, which is the x-axis, minus 2. Sapanapa, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Saka it's minus 2. Inge yakadai so. Saka kana wajairako unogona kuavoida kuisa zvimadots izvi pandiri kuzviitira for the sake of illustration. Then toataenda kuimaginary part. Imaginary part yakanzi minus I, of which we know kuti the coefficient of I anenge ari minus 1. Saka zvoreva kuti we go kunani pana minus 1 panapa. Saka our point is going to be this. Tinoidrowa ichibva kupi? Origin pataisa r. So this is z2. Z2 inenge yakaita sei? Inenge yakati minus 2 minus 1. That is it. It's not that difficult. So let us now explain kuti nemhaka yei taisa that arrow. So this is going to be a point in your notes if you are not taking. The point is going to be, so this is the point. Just like in vectors, the arrow is used to show the direction of travel. Saka we are traveling from where? The origin. Sati kubva paorigin tichienda papoint in space. Point yacho inonzi z1 3 minus 2. Then kunoku point yacho inonzi z2 minus 2 minus 1. Saka arrow yakakosha just to show the direction of travel. Saka tingadai tatoita seal off our lesson here, but we are in advanced level, remember. Saka we are going to push it a little further. What are we going to do? Takuda kudiscuss the magnitude or the size of a complex number. Before this topic, takaita analytical geometry. Tikaziva kuti how do we calculate the size or the magnitude of a line. Dovatano borrow our mathematics from the Greek philosopher Pythagoras. Tika apply the Pythagorean theorem, mostly commonly known as the Pythagoras theorem. So you're going to see kuti so long we are dealing with lines, pese patinotsvaga size kana kuti magnitude yeline, we are going to use the Pythagoras theorem. Somehow we are going to apply the Pythagoras theorem. Saka Pythagoras theorem is used here. The Pythagoras theorem is going to be used, and that is the generalized model, cannot the generalized form of the Pythagoras theorem, which is z squared is equal to x squared plus y squared. But how exactly are we going to find the size? So hence, this is very important information. So box iri ndere kungokuratidzai kuti pakunyorwa zvikoshwa apa. The magnitude of z, the modulus of z. Kana takaita mafunctions, tinoremember kuti tikaisa zvitanda zviviri izvi pana z, tiri kureva kuti we just want to take the positive value of z, for the simple reason yekuti the length of a line or the magnitude size of a complex number, for example, because muchaona kuti panapa tichadzokera kuAgantt diagram somehow, but before that, the size of anything cannot be negative. The size of anything cannot be negative. You cannot have a negative height. You cannot have a negative weight. As long as tichitaura physics dziri to do with large masses. Of course, when we are talking about quantum theory, everything is possible there. It's spooky. That's why Albert Einstein called it spooky. And also complained that God does not play dice. Saka so long tichitaura zvinhu zviri physical to us, we cannot talk about negative sizes. Saka we take the positive value of z, taking it from where? From the square root of x squared plus y squared. This is the Pythagoras theorem, if you remember. You see? Sando zvinongoitika panapa. Saka I can put down a note inoexplaina zvemodulus zvandabva kutaura for the sake of those who are writing notes. Saka note panapa iri kuti zvitanda izvi, symbol of modulus, these are used to show that only the positive value of z will be taken since length or size can never be negative. Saka let us also dwell on examples here tichishandisa z1 and z2. So remember that isusu z1 iri equal to 3 minus 2I. Saka toda kutsvaga the size of z1. What is going to be the size of z1? Remember kuti tati isusu for z handiti is equal to x plus yi. The magnitude of z is going to be the square root of x squared plus y squared. As simple as that. Ndozvatangonyora panapa. Mpaona. Saka zvatinoita panapa tinongoti z1 is equal to the square root of what is going to be x. X ndi 3. So it's 3 squared plus 4y. Y ndi minus 2 squared. Saka zvakakosha kuziva kuti y ndi minus 2 as x ari 3. Understood? Saka panapa manje, this is the square root of what is 3 squared? The 9 plus what is minus 2 squared? Minus 2 squared in the 4. Saka here we are going to get the square root of 13. Okay, saka let us now go over to z. Saka z2 taudzwa isusu kuti iri equal to minus 2 minus I. I want you to try out z2 on your own. Pause this video here, try it out, then kana mapedza unpause to see the solution. Let us go on. Saka the size, the modulus of z2 is going to be equal to the square root of what is x minus 2 squared plus what is y minus 1 squared. This is equal to the square root of minus 2 ndi 4 plus the square root of minus 1 ndi 1. Saka the answer is root 5. Tinenge tatopedza. It's not really difficult. Complex numbers are actually a walk in the park. Zvatava kuda kuita manje takuda kudiscussa inonzi the argument of a complex number. Naro. It's a complex number. Okay, so let us do it. Kuda kuita the argument of a complex number. What is the argument of a complex number? An argument, this is the size of the angle measured from the positive x-axis to the complex number. Zinomborevei, wait and see. Saka, we are going to have this. This is important also. What is it? Tirikubva ku negative pi. This is going to be less than argument of z, which is less than or equal to pi. Saka this is in essence the range. Saka argument tikutarisa the size of the angle. Tiri measure from the positive x-axis tichienda ku complex number. Let us put down another point to make it more clear. The Argand diagram is used in the determination of both the size and sign of the argument in relation to its location in space. Saka what I want you to take from this in a way kuti tinoshandisa Argand diagram. I know kuti this is Shakespearean maybe, Greek. This is Greek to you, but it's going to become easier as we go through my examples. Zvirikuitika panapa ndezvekuti remember tina y and kuna y ndo kunoenda chi imaginary number kana kuti the imaginary part of the complex number. Then tinani futi kana x kunoenda chi ku x ndo kunoenda the real part of the complex number. Saka tiri kutangira pana 0. Remember tati chi panapa tikadzokera panapa tati isusu the size of the angle measured from the positive x-axis to the complex number. saka it is from the positive, and the positive x-axis ndekunoku. Maybe you need to remember kuti even partition plane tinge tina y x kunoku kune mapositives manegatives uku mapositives uku manegatives. So that is in essence what we are referring to from the positive side. Saka we have 0, then panapa line iri ringe richi pi over 2. If you go back to this topic we did secular measure, you take note kuti 2 pi is equivalent to 360 degrees. Kureva kuti pi is equivalent to 180 degrees. So zvinoreva ndezvekuti 90 degrees iri equal to pi over 2. So if 90 degrees is equal to pi over 2, iri kurepresentwa this line, because the line iri y riri kumita the x plane perpendicularly kana kuti at 90 degrees. Saka this is the positive acute kunoku, positive acute. Then now line iri rese iri ringe richi pi, kunoku tinechi positive obtuse. So go and do a little research. Kana chiti acute angle tikureva an angle which is between 0 and 90 degrees, kana kuti angle less than 90 degrees, kana tichiti obtuse tikureva an angle which is greater than 90 but less than 180 degrees. And then since kunoku inobva yava negative pi over 2, kunoku tichiwana a negative obtuse, then kunoku tichiwana chi a negative acute. Anditi. So point yatinoda kunyora panapa ine ukoshwa ndeyekuti the argument is given by, what is the argument given by? Argument iri given by the argument of z iri equal to the arctan tan to the power minus 1 of what? Of y over x. So the argument of z is equal to the arctan of y over x. Kureva kuti panapa our calculator is handy. We need a calculator. We need a scientific calculator inogona kutipa ma-answers are more accurate. Before we go to a practical example, kana kuti a practice example of this, let us take note of something. When calculating the argument, we must ignore the signs of x and y. We must ignore the signs of x and y. Saka sign ya x ne sign ya y, kana tichicalculate argument, we must ignore it. This is a very important point. Our next point iri kuti an Argand diagram is used when determining the argument. So this is just necessary repetition. Tambozvitaura tinoshandisa Argand diagram. Tatomboti draw Argand diagram in our illustrations. Okay, so let us now take on an example. So example yatoda kushandisa is our example number 1, z1. Z1 is equal to 3 minus 2i. So how are we going to calculate the argument? What we do is, tichati susu, the argument of z1 is given by the arctan of x of y over x. You see? Saka apa tirongodzokera kunoku. The argument of z is equal to the arctan of y over x. Sando zvatoda kungoapply panapa. So the argument of z1 is equal to the arctan of y over x, of which y ndi 2, x ndi 3. Asi panapa y ndi minus 2. Tati tinoignore ma-negative signs. Saka apa takutoma-ignore. Okay. Saka we ignore the signs, kana we ignore the negative signs, we make everything positive. So we have to take note panapa kuti the negative sign of minus 2 was ignored. So kudza mwana wopedzisira kufanira kuona panapa kuti the negative sign of minus 2 was ignored. And okay, saka tikacalculata izvi manje tikaisa mucalculator medu tichimeka sure kuti iri kumaradians, tinoshandisa maradians kana tiri kuadvanced level. Tinowana answer iri 0.588 rad. 0.588 rad. Alright. Saka so far tisati taita incorporate, hatisati tashandisa Argand diagram. So one might ask kuti saka Argand diagram roshanda papi. I want to take you back to this point. An Argand diagram is used when determining the argument. How is it used? Ndo question. Saka chionai manje. What happens here is we incorporate the Argand diagram to determine the final argument. So here ngatidai so saka takuisa Argand diagram yedu y patadai so toisa futi chi panapa x. Tinoziva kuti y ndokwe imaginary ku x ndokwe real. Then tobva tada kuisa kudrowa chi z1. Saka z1 tikada kumudrowa tinotanga nekupi? Z1 kana tichida kumudrowa tinotanga nemareal, of which real ndi 3 kapo. Because z1 iri equal to 3 minus 2i. Saka real ndi 3, 3 inenge iri samwe panapa. Then imaginary ndi minus 2, minus 2 inenge iri samwe panapa. Saka point yatinayo ndi ino ish to draw from the origin todai so takadai. Alright. Then manje take note kuti mukadzokera kudiagram riri kumusoro randoda kudzokorodza panapa muchaona kuti panapa ndo panenge paine positive acute. Then apa paine chi it's pi over 2 panapa pi, panapa panenge paine our positive obtuse. Kunoku ndo kune negative acute, negative pi over 2 panapa. Then apa it's the angle 0, panapa it's negative obtuse. Saka muri kuona here kuti line redu riri kurepresenta that point in space riri kuwanikwa in this quadrant negative acute, kureva kuti therefore the argument of z1 is equal to minus 0.588 radians. Saka basically we incorporate the Argand diagram to determine the final argument. Chatiri kuti final argument panapa, it's actually the sign of the argument. Saka answer yatawana panapa is 0.588 radians. But as your final answer, tinofanirwa kunodrowa that complex number on an Argand diagram. Taidrowa on an Argand diagram, then toziva kuti iri kuita fall in which quadrant? Quadrant yacho, is it a positive quadrant or it's a negative quadrant? Kana iri a negative quadrant, then our answer tends to become negative. Saka highlights ezvataita, you can rewind to find out kuti zvakamira sei. But rather, what's important here is, let us do example h2 inoita seal off panapa. Saka example yedu yechi2 yakati z2 is equal to minus 2 minus I. So chekutanga, we find the argument of z2 tichishandisa the arctan of y over x. So the arctan of y panapa anenge ari minus 1, but we ignore the negative, kurati tingorina 1. The arctan, sorry, the value of x anenge ari 2, we ignore ka negative kanaka. Tikaenda mucalculator tikanoisa the arctan of a half tinowana 0.464 radians. Haisati yapera, todraw our Argand diagram. Toda kuplota this point, this complex number. Saka minus 2 ndo real part inowanikwa kuchi ku x-axis, minus 2 iri panapa. then -1 ndiyo imaginary part inowanikwa kuy axis, -1 iri samwe panapa, kureva kuti tinge takadai so tobva taisa arrow yedu. This is z2. But manje z2 iri kuwanikwa in which quadrant? We know kuti panapa the angle it's 0, panapa it's pi, panapa it's pi over 2, and panapa it's negative pi over 2. Kunoku kune positive acute, uku ndo kune negative acute, uku kune positive obtuse, uku ndo kune negative obtuse. Saka iri kufola pa-negative obtuse. Kurevei? Kureva iko kuti zvakuchitika panapa manje, I really wish you are going to understand. Saka painge iri kuacute yanga iri easier, yanga yakanaka. But panapa manje yava kuobtuse. Zvinofanirwa kusiyana. It must mean something. Saka in order for us to find our final answer, tinenge takuti isusu. Therefore, the argument of z2 is equal to, our answer should be negative. Sataenda kure. You see? Answer yedu iri negative kudaro. Tati susu, we are measuring this angle from the positive x-axis. Saka effect yazo ndeyekuti tichati susu pi minus 0.464. Saka ino iyi 0.464 ndeti iri kuwanikwa kupi? Iri kuwanikwa in this negative obtuse. Kana ichiwanikwa negative obtuse, we have to subtract it from pi kuti tiwane the actual argument. Kureva kuti our answer here is going to be minus 2.68 rad. Saka zvekuti pi minus zvinoitwa kana iri ku obtuse side. You just put the answer as it is, taking note kuti which quadrant, therefore which sign. Asi kana ikaenda ku obtuse side, what you have to do is you have to say pi, subtracting that, also taking into cognizance the sign. You understand? Practice will make you understand. Pachapedza lessons, we are going to go through rigorous practice, and you are going to familiarize with my complex numbers through practice. But this is a very important part. Ndosaka Gantt diagram rakakosha. Saka we are just going to put two simple rules, then tighter put those two simple rules. Mchamaona apply when we do our examples. Then we pause, we end the video, the lesson. We are going to take lesson 15.2, which is the last lesson from complex numbers, where we're going to be doing geometrical effects of complex operations. But so far takutopedza edu. So panapa chamufanirwa kuziva ndechekuti if we are given two complex numbers, you see, two complex numbers, tina u, tina v. Tikada kutsvaka the argument of u over v. Saka u na v complex number ari kudividana, toda kutsvaka argument yayo. Argument yepanapa yakafanana nekuti the argument of u iri pamusoro subtracting the argument of v iri pazasi. Saka ndogara ndichitaura pamusoro pe-isomorphy, kutoredzana kwakaita division nesubtraction, kutoredzana zvakare kwakaita multiplication neaddition. Kureva kuti the argument of uv inenge iri equal to the argument of u plus the argument of v. Saizvi zvichashanda izvi, zvingori zvinhu zvekuziva, but ndandichitaura pamusoro pe-isomorphy. Isomorphy is a concept in mathematics inotarisa ma-relationships between addition and multiplication. Yotarisa zvakare ma-relationships between subtraction and division. Saka kazhinji kacho division inofambidzana nesubtraction, kazhinji kacho addition inofambidzana nemultiplication. Asi anambosangana nesituation yekuti addition iri kufambidzana nedivision kana kuti subtraction iri kufambidzana nemultiplication. Handisati hangu ndambosangana nesuch a situation. So this concludes this lesson. If you have any question, you can utilize the comments section. I'll try to attend. If you want to ask me directly, or you need extra lessons in pure mathematics or O-level mathematics, especially ZIMSEC or Cambridge, and we usually use Shona in our deliberations, you can reach out to me on this mobile number, preferably through WhatsApp. It's Zimbabwean, so I will put a code 263 710469150. Saka kana tiri muZimbabwe tangoiti 0710469150. But for international persons, it's +263 710469150. I won't put my email because I don't think it's necessary and I don't usually check it. Zimbabwe hatina data rekunyanyo kuita zvinhu zvakawanda wanda. Otherwise, thank you for your patience and take care.